How to add a highlight story on your Instagram account. Hello guys, how it's going? Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like this video. So let's start. You go first and you open Instagram. After this, when your Instagram is opening, guys, you will just go down and open your profile. Then when your profile is open, we go click here, story highlight, and click new. Then you will, for example, I will choose a highlight story. For example, I will choose this, and now I will click just next. And for example, like this, add a name. And if I want to edit cover, I don't want to edit a cover, so I will just click down. Then I will click down again, and now I will try it. Like I will open it, cancel or discard. I will go to open this highlight. So it's open, and that's it guys. I hope these videos have found useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.